As your plastic surgeon, I want to make sure that you are always able to get in touch with me if you have any questions or concerns. The two best ways to get a hold of me or to get a hold of any of my staff if you have any questions or concerns is to call our phone number, which is 850-500-7527. You can also always send us an email to info@restoreplasticsurgery.com. Now, if you're experiencing a true medical emergency, meaning you can't breathe, something scary that you need to call 911 for, you should definitely call 911. You can always call me as well on your way to the hospital because I want to know everything that's going on. But if you're having trouble breathing, having severe chest pain, and you're worried you're having a heart attack, anything that is a true medical emergency, please call 911 first and then call me. Another point I want to add about contacting us is that if you have a real concern, you're worried about something before or after surgery, and it cannot wait until the next business day, don't send us a chat message by the website or a virtual consult, because there is a chance that those messages don't get checked until the next business day. Same thing for Facebook messages and other social media outlets. I can't guarantee you that those messages get checked every hour of every day during the weekend or during holidays. So if it's something that can't wait until the next business day, please call our number 850-500-7527. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.